In this renter how-to video, we'll be showing you how to create a listing alert for easy, hands-off rental browsing. With liv.rent's handy listing alert feature, you can save time in your search for your next home. With listing alerts, you'll be automatically notified by email when new properties are posted that match your specific search filters. Creating a listing alert only takes a few minutes, so let's get started. Once you're logged into your liv.rent renter account, simply enter the city you're looking at renting in into the search bar at the top of the page. Select your desired filters and narrow down your search using the filters option on the left-hand side of your screen. liv.rent allows you to customize your preferences for price, property type, short-term versus long-term rentals, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, features and amenities, pet policy, and much more. For an in-depth tutorial on how to search for listings, check out liv.rent's YouTube channel for a detailed video. When you're happy with the filters you've entered, click Show Results in the bottom right corner of this window. Now you'll see currently available properties displayed on the map view. To set an alert and be notified of newly posted listings, simply select Create Alert in the top left corner of this map. Give your new listing alert a name to keep track of the features you're looking for. Then select the frequency for how often you'd like to receive emails with new listings that match your preferences. Finally, click Create Alert and you're all done. You can also create multiple listing alerts with different search parameters to streamline your search even more. Once you find the perfect place to rent, you can unsubscribe from these alerts at any time by clicking on the prompt included in the emails you receive. For more how-to videos and guides to liv.rent's tools for renters, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.